These animals can measure between 25 and 32 meters, and the largest individuals can weigh up to 180 tons. They can stay underwater for approximately 1 hour. These mammals, unlike fish, have their tails positioned horizontally, which makes it easier for them to ascend to the surface, where they need to go to breathe. They inhabit all the oceans where they embark on long migratory journeys from cold seas, where they feed, to warmer ones, where they mate and reproduce. After a gestation period of nearly 12 months, they give birth to a single offspring, whose life expectancy is around 30 years.